Hey guys, this is Michael with North End Motors. We're here today in this 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude. See here, we're on the app screen. We're going to be showing you the UConnect in this 2018 Jeep Compass Latitude. UConnect, it's integrated infotainment as well as app system for your phone as well in Jeep products. We've already looked at the Jeep Grand Cherokee in a previous video. That was the Trailhawk that we had, one of the top of the lines. It's a Latitude, very nice vehicle. We see here, we can see our Sirius XM travel link, which is available with a subscription to Sirius XM, our Wi-Fi hotspot, notifications, app manager, and then our heated driver, passenger, and wheel here. So this is on the highest setting, easy to use right here. We scroll through, we can go see our radio, our UO services here as well. Our media, phone, settings, climate controls. Right here is another way to look at the heated seats in addition to this over here. Good for the winter. And then our navigation. So we can go down here to navigation. Where to, view map, home, work. We can set our home and our work settings right there. We can also contact emergency services right there. Where to, we can look at different ways, or we can enter an address, we can look at our recent destinations, our favorites. So if you want to favorite a place that isn't home or work, we can do that as well. Let's say a friend's house, a parent's house, in-laws, whatever you need to do right there on favorites. Our points of interest, our trips, intersections, point on maps. Go through, we can go to city center, go to closest cities if we're looking for a night out. Our phone number, trails, because we are in a Jeep, so we have our snow, sand, and mud settings as well. So we can look if we want to go off-roading in our Compass, which, up to you. We have our AM, FM, and then our Sirius XM, which is available with a subscription. You can get a 3-month subscription typically when you do purchase a vehicle that comes from Sirius XM. Our media, so we can connect it with USB 1, USB 2, aux, or on our Bluetooth. Bluetooth's easy to use. As we know, it's right here. Push to speak, say call your contact. It'll call them up. You can even send in navigation coordinates right there as well. Accept calls and decline calls right there. And then with USB, this car does come equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So we can put in and it'll project our phone screen right there. And we can access all our different apps that we like to use for our own navigation. If we don't want to use the built-in navigation like Waze, Google Maps, Apple Maps, whatever you'd like to use, you can access it right here, as well as for music as well if you don't want directly from your phone. For Bluetooth, we can also do Apple Music, Spotify, Pandora, different radio listening apps as well, and they'll all work right there if we don't prefer AM or FM or Sirius XM. Go at our climate as well. Max AC. We don't have the AC on right now because it is chilly. So we have the heat all the way up and it's hot. Heated seats working well. Our phone here, we know no phone connected right now. We can pair our phone right here easily. When we do that, it's going to pop up on the phone right here. Easy to use. It'll come up under Bluetooth. Make sure you have it on. And we'll be able to connect Bluetooth, no problem. Like I said, with Apple CarPlay, just connect it with the USB. Works no problem. It'll register it automatically. So that is the UConnect in our 2018 Jeep Compass that we have available here. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us, northendmotors.com. That's where you're going to be able to find all our vehicles, including this beautiful 2018 Jeep Compass. Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, how-tos, tips and tricks, and more informational videos in general on all of our different things that we have available in our inventory, as well as different tips and tricks for how to winterize your vehicle and such. It's going to be coming up as we do roll into the winter months. So thank you guys, and have a great day.